Hi, this is Ken with Ken's Perfect Jams, and today we're venturing into entree world. We're going to do jam stuffed chicken breasts today. It's a really fun recipe. We have a couple of boneless, skinless chicken breasts. The other ingredients you're going to need, you will need some shallots, dried cranberries, walnuts, olive oil and butter, salt and pepper, the jam of your choice. I am using blueberry today because from another video that we did a little bit earlier, I used part of the jar, and what's left is actually perfect for this recipe today. So it's going to be blueberry. Add 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. If you go to the description box right below the window of this video and download a copy of the recipe, assemble your ingredients, we can make this together. Okay, so I have a foil-lined cookie sheet here, which is where our completed chicken breasts are going to go. The oven is preheating to 425 degrees. I have a spoon. So, your dried cranberries, your shallots, and your walnuts. What I usually do with this, it's a little bit of a departure from what it says on the recipe, but to me it simplifies it and it boosts the flavor quotient. I take the butter and the olive oil and I put it in the skillet, and I heat that stuff up, and then once both of those things are going in the skillet, then I throw in the shallots, the walnuts, and the dried cranberries, and I saute them all together at the same time. That way you toast your nuts, you soften up your dried cranberries at the same time that you're caramelizing your shallots, and it boosts the flavor for everything. And the beautiful thing about that is once you're done with that, it's nice and warm, so it makes it really easy for you to mix in your jam. So you're going to take the jam that's required here, which is pretty much the rest of this jar, and you're just going to stir it in to the aromatics, the nuts, and the dried cranberries that you just sauteed in the pan. So you're going to stir it all together until it's one nice homogeneous mixture. Basically, you want to melt the jam into the shallot, cranberry, and walnut mixture, and you want to thoroughly mix all of that together. That is what's going to become the stuffing for your chicken. Doesn't it sound great? Smells amazing. There we go. Fully incorporated. So the next thing we're going to do is prep our chicken breast. I like to take the salt and the pepper and liberally coat the outside of both chicken breasts. Rub it in. Do both sides. While you're doing this, you're going to look at and determine which side of your chicken breast is the widest. If you look at your chicken breasts, let me rub this in and then I'll show you what I'm talking about. If I flip it back over, if you look at your chicken breast, one side is a lot thicker than the other side goes down almost to a point. You want the thick side. We're going to slice into the thick side. So on this chicken breast, it's this side, and you're just going to take your knife and you're going to cut a slit into the thicker side of the chicken breast, and you're basically opening up a pocket. Perfect. And once you get a nice, decent, deep pocket, just a little bit of salt in the pocket, a little bit of pepper. Why did I close this? A little bit of pepper in the pocket, and then we're going to stuff. I find a teaspoon works very well for this. But you're just going to stuff it. Full of your stuffing. And remember, it is a pocket, you cut a slit, so make sure you stuff all the way into the slit so that you don't have any empty pockets, so to speak. And then that goes on your cookie sheet. We're going to do the same thing with the other chicken breasts, and then it's going to go into the preheated oven. Nice, easy, yet fancy looking entree. This is perfect over some rice pilaf. My favorite thing to do with this is to make some orzo, the rice shaped pasta, and serve these over a bed of orzo is just the most amazing thing. The softness and the creaminess of the pasta lends itself very well to the pan juices that you'll get from this chicken. There we go. Two nicely stuffed chicken breasts. They're going to go into a preheated 425-degree oven. I believe it's for 40 to 50 minutes. I don't remember. It's been a while since I looked at the recipe. The recipe should be right in front of you so you'll know, and the oven's ready. So you'll know exactly how long it should be. I will peek at it and I will make sure that I put it in for the right amount of time. Anyway, see you in a bit. And there we go. The chicken is done. The pan juices that I was talking about are right there. Those juices are absolutely amazing over pretty much any starch. Orzo, rice pilaf, mashed potatoes, polenta are a wonderful pairing with this chicken. So if you like what you see here today, please subscribe to our channel, hit the notification button. We will gladly appear in your box every Wednesday when we drop a new video. And once again, from Ken's Perfect Jams, this is Ken Patton signing off. Have a great day.